Hello and welcome to another video. This one is gonna be about my European plum tree again. I want to cut off this part of the taper because I wanted to try to snap it and see if that could do something cool for me, but what I've achieved here is actually just inverse taper. So I want to get this part off so I don't have this inverse taper and I can continue with this only as my taper. So that's the thing about this video. I'll probably also do a little bit of pruning, but first thing is getting this taper in order. Thank you for watching. This has been it. I don't know if this taper is ever going to be beautiful, but I think this cut I made here is definitely going to help me avoid an even more inverse taper than what I would have had. And this dead part I cut originally when I dug up the tree, I really don't know what to do with it, if I should cut that back as well or just leave it like this. Because now the scar is starting to seal this way from the growth of my new taper here, and it's overlapping, and that will create a big bulb. So either I put my money on this rotting before, so I have a hole down, or I cut it off. And I really don't know which option I should pick here, because yeah, I'll wait and see as usual and see if I get any more wiser on the decision making, or if the tree tries to tell me something. I don't know. Whenever you want to see a bit more video or just support the journey, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe so we can get this dream going and renovate a house. Right down the hill, right down there, is the dream house we want to buy. Thank you for watching.